Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with my good friend Frankie the Baker.
Hello, Lil.
And we're making something really good here. We're not baking, but we're baking.
It's gonna be Reuben Stromboli.
Let's do it.
So this here is your ingredients. You got Swiss cheese, corned beef, sauerkraut, Russian dressing, and mustard.
Oh, I love this
So
already.
we're gonna pop this in.
Okay.
Then you get your mustard.
Oh, you just put it all together?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Now you can make a filling. You're gonna go in with our hand and just like mush it up. So now we're gonna get our dough.
So you just put a little
Yeah.
olive oil?
Yes.
So this is, I was wondering where the baking parts
That's
come
right.
in. You can't be Frankie the Baker without baking.
I can. I could be Frankie the Baker when I make pizza. Yeah,
That's
definitely.
True. That's true.
So you want to do like a 9x6.
Okay.
Grab your filling. You want to go all the way to your edges.
Okay.
All right. The cheese is gonna just fold it halfway, halfway, pinch, 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 pinch.
Pinch.
Ooh. And you want to
to
pinch because you don't want to fold over because then you'll get that doughy, messy,
Yeah.
you know. Get some egg wash. Sesame seeds are optional for you guys at home. And you score the top just so you can let all the air out when it cooks. These are going to go in the oven for 30 minutes, 360 degrees.
That looks good.
We're going to try some.
Oh, yeah, we are.
Yeah, and it's ready to eat.
Looks so good and couldn't be easier. So
That's it.
head to our website, newspell.com. You'll find the recipe there. Can't wait to try it. Thanks,
That's it.
Frankie.
Thank you.